Hood, also known as bonnet. Hi, I'm Rashi from Gutsy Roads, and today I'm going to show you how to safely open and close hood of a car. Hood is secured by two mechanisms, a lock and a latch. The first step is to open the lock using a hood release handle. In most cases, hood release handle is located on the driver's side around the steering wheel assembly. It could be below the steering wheel, on the right side of it, on the floor, or on the door frame. If you still cannot locate it visually, refer to your user manual. In Tata Harrier, hood release handle is located on the right side of the steering wheel, here. So let's open it. Now that the hood is unlocked, we need to release the latch to open the hood completely. To do so, you need to locate the latch by lifting the hood slightly and moving your hand from left to right to locate the latch. Once you have located the latch, depending upon the mechanism, either you need to move it on the left side or push it upwards. In Tata Harrier, the latch is present in the center and should be pushed upwards to open the hood. So let's open it. Once you open the hood, the first thing you need to do is secure the hood into its position by using a support rod. The support rod can be found in the front part of the engine bay. You need to lift it up and engage the free end into the slot provided under the hood frame. Once you finish your work, you need to close the hood. To do so, push the hood slightly upwards, remove the support rod, put it back into its position, lower the hood until it's around 12 inches from the locking position and release it. Ensure that it's locked properly. If not, unlatch it again and bring it up and then release it again to lock it. You really need to make sure it's locked properly. If not, the latch can break and hood can smash your windshield, or even it can break off and smash the other vehicles on the road, leading to fatal accidents. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something. I'll be making more videos on vehicle maintenance and safety. Please follow Gutsy Roads on various social handles, details of which are given in the description below. Thank you for watching.